Hi kiddos, today we are going to do another social studies lesson. This lesson is from your textbook. It starts on page 190. That's 190. The title of this lesson, Chapter 6, Lesson 2, Goods and Services. So before we start reading, we need two things to get started. Do you know what they are? That's right. We need a pencil and something to write on. So why don't you go ahead and pause this video while you go and get your items. Now that you're back, it is time to get started. We are going to learn 2 vocabulary words before we start reading. Let's spell the first vocabulary word together. G-O-O-D-S. Do you know what this word says? This word says goods. Can you say that with me? Goods. Have you ever heard of this word before? What does it mean? Goods are things that people make or grow. So that's what I'm going to write. Things that people grow or make. Can you think of an example of a good? A good could be vegetables because people can grow vegetables. All right, let's move on to our next vocabulary word. Let's spell it together. S-E-R-V-I-C-E-S. Do you know what this word says? This word says services. Can we say that together? Services. Great job. Do you know what this word means? A service is a task that people do to help others. Can you think of an example of a service? An example that I can think of is when we go to get a haircut. The person that's cutting our hair is doing a service. They're doing something, a task, to help others. Now that we've gone over our 2 vocabulary words, it is time to get started. Remember, this lesson starts on page 190. That is a 190. Let's get started. Lesson 2, Goods and Services. Goods at home. Goods are things that people grow or make. Most people today buy goods from others. Some of the goods people use at home are food, dishes, tables, and chairs. Goods in school and the community. You use goods at school. Your school has books and computers. You use goods in your community. You may choose to buy a toy. Let's take a look at this picture. What are some goods that you see in this picture? Some goods that I see are I see tables, I see chairs, I see a computer, I can see some paintbrushes or pencils, I can see some scissors and some paper. Those are some goods that I can see. School and community services. Services are tasks that people do to help others. You can see many service workers at school. Your teacher helps you learn. A cook makes you lunch. There are many services in the community. Some service workers are firefighters, nurses, store clerks, and bus drivers. And that is all we have for the day, kiddos. So let's just go over what we learned from this lesson. What is a good? A good or goods are things that people grow or make. What's an example of a good? Food is an example of goods. And how about services? Can you remind me, what are services? Services are tasks that people do to help others. Can you think of an example of a service? An example of a service is from a bus driver, because a bus driver is giving us a service of bringing us from our homes and to school, or from school and to our homes. The service that they are providing us is driving us around. I thought that this lesson was very cool. What did you think? All right, kiddos, we are all done for the day. I hope that you have a lovely rest of your day, and I will see you next time. Bye!